Kids Kilobyte here. In this video, we're going to put this Saker 3-in-1 vacuum to the test. So does this little thing actually have the power to clean the car? We'll check it out. We'll see how long it'll last and whether it'll actually pull things out of the car carpet. So things it comes with, a manual with directions on using all the accessories, a bag that'll actually fit in. You got a piece for vacuuming a floor, charge cable. So it comes with 2 filters. You got a HEPA filter and then this stainless steel mesh they are cleanable. Vacuum attachments, crevice tool, a brush that can go on the end of here into here. And you got some inflating and blowing accessories. So it will actually blow air. I will show you that as well. So this little thing has 2 speeds. If you press and hold it for 3 seconds, you're going to get speed 1. Green light. If I press it again, it's going to go to high speed, which will give you more vacuum. And press it again, it'll turn off. There's your high speed. And now it's off. Sorry about the noise. Let's go try it out. All right, so with the floor attachment, so you got dogs that track stuff in or just people coming in and out? This is on low. Now some of this is stuck to the floor. That's not going to vacuum up. Really good picking this up. Setting 1. And this is just the low setting. There. That should help. And of course I can get that here. Here's one of the air blowing accessories. Low. Adjust. And blow stuff on your desk. As you can see, it's blowing some stuff out that was underneath it. That's on low. There's really high here. And off. And you got the high pressure small nozzle. Now you can use these to air up inflatables as well. This one I could definitely see using a lot instead of, you know, using like an air compressor, firing that up. This should all be blown out from the previous one, and it looks like it is. And it does have a safety thing there, so you can't actually put your finger in there. Useful for cleaning your sewing machine, vacuuming that out, getting the dust, dirt out of it. That's on the low speed. Push the button one more time, it'll go to high. The jet engine. Pew, pew. Let's see how well this thing will pick stuff up. That is the first setting. The carpet is not the easiest to pick things up off of, but it is picking some of it up. Oh, it's picking most of it up. Give it a little more reach. Really high mode. All right. This side really wasn't that dirty. All right, so just a regular speed. Wide. No attachment. It is actually picking up pretty good. Alright, now with light, no attachment, regular speed. Picking up pretty good. what its coverage. Got the brush attachment that you can put on it. Okay. Reaches most of my dash. Dust in and pick up the dust with the vacuum. It's really easy. Whew! Ha! Make sure you're upwind. It's blowing through it. You can, if you want to actually wash it, run some water through it. Yeah, that's amazing how much that picked up. I didn't think it was that bad. It's all the dust that it got, not just the dirt. And you just slide it back in. Ready to go. All right, we got the trunk. This thing's quite dirty. Power one. Some of it is stuck in the loops. Yeah, I could take that out. That'd be honestly easier. Okay, let's bump the power up. Since it is a vacuum, and it's for its size, it's got pretty good power. All right, one Miata done, and it's still got power, so it'll do at least a Miata. Pew pew. Sorry, it's just too funny. All right, what is the verdict on this thing? It is a really good detail vacuum. It inflates well, and you can actually vacuum like your car out, a whole Miata with one charge. However, if you've got like a 4-door or an SUV, it's going to take you a couple charges if you're wanting to do the full thing and it's not already fairly clean. It picks up great, but the battery, the life is limited. I mean, it's a small, convenient vacuum. It's not a shop vac. So, you know, you got to bear that in mind. But this is really good for like car shows and stuff where you want to get that little extra detail and stuff. Very convenient and portable for that. Highly recommend it for the use in which it's intended. So, hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.